Hello, Ronnie. Welcome to this video. My name is Viviana, and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to increase the traffic to your website and increase the number of customers that you have. So let's start with your website. Right now, I'm looking at it, and I like that it has click to call buttons at the top, which actually makes it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. Now, it is important to have enough and relevant content because that's how Google finds you, right? So anything that you have on your website, text, videos, or images is considered content for Google. So it's important that you actually signal that to Google so that Google can find you. Right now, you have 264 words. So that's just looking at the amount of words. Now let's have a look at two of your competitors. A1 Garage Door Service, they have a lot more content. This is a landing page for Las Vegas, and they have 1,000, close to 2,000 words just for that landing page. And then if we have a look at Precision Door Service, the the landing page for Las Vegas as well, they have 923 words, so a lot more content. And it is important because Google likes to see content. So it's one of the things that you can do is actually increase the amount of content that you have on your website, including relevant keywords. And what I mean by that is that when I came into Google and I type in garage door repair Las Vegas, that is something that is considered a buyer intent keyword, which is what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. So the first thing, or the first section, is the Google Ads section. They are good at driving traffic, but the flip side is that some people have the ability to turn them off, and some people just skip them and they just don't see them. And the other thing is that they can be very expensive if they are not done correctly. Now, the second section, the Google Maps, they are driving 40% of the traffic, so they are having a massive impact on businesses. Now, to rank at the top of the Google Maps, you need 3 things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on any directory, such as Yellow Pages or Triple B. And the important thing to bear in mind is that the business name, the phone number, and the address, they have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. So that's my second tip. And now the third section is what we call the Google Organic Search. So in here you can see that we have A1 Garage and Garage Doors, so Precision Door, Las Vegas. Now to rank at the top of the Google search, you need the content so that Google can find you, but you also need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs that shows us the back end of the website. And right now it's saying that Battleborn Garage Door has 6 referring domains with 26 backlinks, which means there are 26 links on 6 websites directing traffic towards your website. And you are being found for 7 organic keywords. Let's have a look at your competitors. So A1 Garage Door, they have 85 referring domains with 356 backlinks, and they are being found for 107 keywords. And Precision Door Service, they have 594 referring domains with 2,400 backlinks, and they are ranking for 3,100 words. Now, the important concept to bear in mind here is that not all backlinks are created equal, which means that there are backlinks that are more powerful than others because if they are sitting on websites that are relevant to your website or your industry, then Google is actually going to give you more points and is going to rank you at the top. Now, there's something that I wanted to show you here, which is related to the content, and it's the organic keywords. So this dashboard shows me the keywords that Google is ranking your website. So this is the keyword, and this is the volume, which is the number of times this keyword was searched for in any given month. And this is showing me the position in which you are appearing in the Google search. So anywhere beyond the 10th position means that you are already on the second page and not many people are going to that page. So that means that people are not seeing you or your website. So you are being ranked for these keywords. Now let's have a look at A1. They are being ranked for 107 keywords. So just having a look at the first two, Garage Door Repair Las Vegas, there's a volume for 3,300 searches per month, or Las Vegas Garage Door Repair 200. So that means between these two keywords, this website was in front of 3,500 people per month. Now let's have a look at Precision Door. They are being ranked for 3,100 keywords, and Garage Door Repair Las Vegas, which is a buyer intent, so they are ranking number 4, 3,300 searches per month. Garage Door Parts Las Vegas, position number 1. Um, and you would have, yeah, we would have to actually make an analysis. Garage Door Las Vegas, 250 searches per month, and have a look at what are those keywords that are driving more traffic, so that you can actually rank at the top for those Google searches. But just to give you an idea, and if I come back to A1 Garage Door, this means that 3,000, this website was in front of 3,500 people per month. That means that a percentage of those actually click on their website, and then a percentage of those actually reach out to this business, and then depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert these people on customers. So that means that more traffic translates into more customers, and more customers is basically more revenue. So thank you so much, Ronnie, for watching. If you actually want to have a little bit more detail, please consider having a one-on-one, and we can go over your needs, and we would love the opportunity to work with you. My details are: I am Viviana Olaya. I work with Turbine SEO. Just wanted to let you know that you can use this information on your own and implement it on your own. If not, I would be happy to help you. The only thing that I'm asking in return is your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye bye.